and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Facebook unable to login problem. Struggling with the frustrating unexpected error message on Facebook can halt your social browsing in its tracks. If you are encountering difficulties logging into your account or navigating Facebook on your mobile device, you are not alone. This video is crafted to tackle these login woes head on, offering straightforward solution. We have got you covered. Dive in and explosive effective strategies to get you back to connected and sharing on Facebook. Without further ado, first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is ensuring a stable internet connection. For delving deeper into resolving Facebook login issues, it's crucial to confirm that your iPhone maintains a reliable internet connection. Begin by accessing the control center on your iPhone. This can be done by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Here you can quickly switch off the Wi-Fi by tapping on the Wi-Fi icon and then enable the cellular data by tapping its respective icon. This switch may rectify any connectivity issue hindering your Facebook access. And you are done. And the next step is restarting your iPhone for troubleshooting. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button. Next, press the power button and then slide to power off. Next, wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And you are done. And the next step is updating and reinstalling the Facebook app. For this, launch the App Store and then tap on your profile at the top right corner. Scroll through the list of available updates to find Facebook. If an update is available, tap update next to Facebook listing. This process installs the latest version, potentially resolving any underlying issues tied to outdated software. If updating the app doesn't rectify your login troubles, a fresh reinstallation might be the answer. Reinstalling Facebook removes any corrupted data that could hinder your user experience. For this, long press the Facebook app icon on your home screen until a pop-up menu appears and then select remove apps and then tap on delete app and then tap on delete again to confirm. Navigate back to the App Store and search for Facebook and then tap download to reinstall it. These fresh installs ensure you are starting from scratch, potentially bypassing any login issues caused by corrupted app data, and you are done. And the next step is checking Facebook account status via browser. Occasionally, Facebook implements protective measures by locking accounts it deems potentially compromised or accessed suspiciously. This could stem from numerous failed login attempts or activities that deviate from your usual behavior, flagging the system security protocols. Utilize Safari or any preferred web browser on your iPhone to visit facebook.com. This direct approach allows you to ascertain your account status outside of app environment. Enter your login details on the Facebook login page. If your account has been locked, a notification will appear. Facebook may require specific action to verify your identity and secure your account. This could range from uploading a valid photo ID to answering a security question or confirming details via linked email or phone number. And you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of Facebook unable to login problem and expected error occur. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.